and welcome to Book Hoarding by Bianca. We're going to do a fun thing that's different today, which is an unboxing. Yes, I'm doing the thing, everybody. I'm doing a thing. So I got a mystery box from Jordandené, which is a purveyor of geeky, nerdy, awesome, and super cozy clothing and home goods and accessories. So this box should have a combo of a bunch of the cool things that they make from a bunch of the different fandoms that they make stuff for. If you haven't checked out their stuff before, go to their website. There's going to be a link in the description, plus my ambassador code, because I am an ambassador for their program. I first saw this brand's stuff at Geek Girl Con years ago because I really wanted something cozy and comfy that I could wear to a panel I was moderating, and I just happened to also be in need because I might have spilled food on my shirt. Long story short, I found this brand at the con I was at, and everything they had was super comfy, super silly, and super fun, and all the fandoms that I love. So I'm excited to see what's in here because everyone needs a little mystery in their life, and that's why I went for it, because I'm like, I literally couldn't decide what of the mini romance and book shirts that they had right now I wanted. So I was just like, I'm just gonna get the mystery box and just be surprised by the things because I just can't choose. So come with me on this journey. So it comes in this really adorable box, and it has obviously their name all over it, their website, and the back of it has all of the cute little like designs they've made from all their cute little nerdy programs. So we've got Burdened with Glorious Purpose, I'm Mary Poppins, y'all, You're a Wizard, Trash Panda, Stardust, Kylo Ren is a Punk Bitch, which is one of my favorites, Nevertheless She Persisted, Geek Girl Power, like, and I know my value, my favorite, because Agent Carter, legit. They have so many good things, and they're always adding new stuff. They have a bunch of summer reading things right now, and Bridgerton stuff, and romance. Literally all the stuff they have is like, my heart is happy that this exists. Okay, let's do it. I'm excited. Okay. So first of all, a fanny pack, which is awesome, because I've been tempted to get this for my walkies time, but I haven't yet gotten it. Trust my rage. Excited to have this. It's a little bit tie-dyed. It looks like it'll hold all my goodies for going on walkies with my rabbit. There's a little bit of structure here too, keep it nice and solid. And it looks like there's a shirt. The night is darkest just before the dawn. Everything smells really good in here, and I think that I'll find out why in just a second, and I'm really excited about it. This is super soft. All their stuff is really soft, including their sweaters. Okay, so here is a bath bomb. Yeah, it is super steamers. Place bomb on floor of shower under falling water. Oh, it's for the shower. It is eucalyptus, peppermint, and lavender. So we've got good smells going on here. Okay, cool. So we've got an awesome shirt, super soft. We have a fanny pack for all my needs. We have 2 shower steamers. So you pop them in and it makes the shower smell really good. And we have some pens, which I'm really excited about. You're a Wizard, Manic Pixie Scream Girl, and Expecto Patronum. So we've got some really great little like wizardry things, and Manic Pixie Scream Girl is hilarious and great. All right, we have a tank top. Oh, we've got some stickers too. Okay, so we have a tank top that is one of the Jordandené collabs with V.E. Schwab, who, if you haven't read A Darker Shade of Magic, they have a whole line that's like based on all the wonderful things from that amazing genius. And Darker Shade of Clothing focuses on A Darker Shade of Magic, that if you haven't checked out, is super fun. And I mean, like, it's summer reading time. You should be reading all the cool things, and that trilogy will suck you in. And there's a comic book, I think, an illustrated comic book. Okay, we've got some stickers, which I have a bunch of on my laptops and everything because these are just great. I've gifted these before. Extraordinary. And I have Journeyed Farther. Look at these. Adorable. I also have Fandom Trash, which is a lifestyle and my entire existence. I believe this is also on a shirt and some other merch, so, you know, maybe one day I'll invest in more. We have a cool little Anastasia print. Do love. We have a little promo with some promo codes on here. It has Sexy Trash pin on it. I definitely confirm that I am sexy trash. Mostly trash. I'm excited for what's at the bottom of this. There's a little coaster here. If you don't follow Sartorial Geek, that's also kind of adjacent to this. But it really celebrates a lot of what Jordandené embodies, which is just like using your fandom in your fashion. I am thrilled with the cover of this. By Us For Us. It's a little zine, and the zine cover is Star Wars, and it's amazing. And I'm so excited for this. It's a little Star Wars fanzine, and I've seen other people who've gotten subscriptions to this, so maybe this will convince me to do it. But I do love the cover. Like, look at those. We've got our original trio, and then we've got some prequel trash here that I love. I say trash as like a loving term. So this is really cool. It's all fan made. It's the epitome of a zine. Oh my god. In the heart of a Jedi lies her strength. And then we see like all the badass lady Jedi from the prequels. Do love and appreciate this. This is awesome. Oh yeah. So if you're a fan of all things Star Wars, this is probably right up your alley. The Barden Space, so feature on the Shakespeare Star Wars series, which I do love. Maybe someone out there is going to write an Austin Star Wars series. That can be an official thing. I might know a few people. This is awesome. What a spread of really cool things. I can't wait to get into my cozy t-shirt and also wear my new awesome fanny pack. Very excited about this one. Because I need a little thing for on the go so I can be hands-free when I'm walking my rabbit on his little meanders.
Into the thick of it! Into the thick of it!
Thank you for joining me for my first unboxing vid for my channel. This was really fun and really nerdy, and I super dig all this stuff. Again, if you are looking for Jordandené, I have the website in my description. I also have my ambassador promo code right down there, so you just check it out. Let me know what you get, and let me know if you've gotten stuff before from them, because I know a lot of my friends probably already have been sucked into getting so much merch from this company, because it's really fun and good. I have too many mugs, and yet somehow I still managed to get some mugs from them. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and love my channel. Patrons at the Lizzie Bennett level and above get a special shout out in my video, like right now. Thanks for watching. Anyway, long story short. Should I get out of the way completely?
Depends. Do you want to be in the bureau?